Hello guys and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you couple of tips and tricks that I picked up along my journey, and that can for sure smooth your workflow and maybe add something to your knowledge. So if you enjoy this type of videos, leave a like and comment me your thoughts down below. If you want to change your startup file, and leave only Suzanne in the scene, you can do that by going to File, Defaults, and hit Save Startup File. So now if you reset the scene, Suzanne will be there for you. You can also at any time set it back to the factory settings. If you want to orbit your camera around any object, the easiest way to do that is, add an empty in the same place and parent it to the camera. So now if we rotate the empty, the camera will give us the orbit shot we need. If you want to render your animation in a fast way, just to see if something wrong, you can do that by assigning an output folder, and then once you are on the camera, go to the View tab and hit Render Viewport Animation. This can help you with large scenes and would give you the chance to fix any problem before the final render. In case you don't have a number pad on your keyboard, you can easily navigate between the ortho views by holding Alt and just rotate the scene with the mouse wheel. If you have a problem beveling corners like this one, you can go to the bevel settings and change the mitre outer from sharp to arc. This also works with the bevel modifier. You can in object mode enable cavity and set the type to both to get an ambient occlusion effect. This makes it more fun and easy to work on hard surface and complex models. An easy way to make pipes from any mesh you have, just select all vertices and merge collapse them. Now we have a single vertex and we can extrude it in any shape. Smooth the corner in it, convert it to curve, and use the bevel in the curve settings to make it into pipe, easy as it gets, though the pipe looks weird. To animate trees, what I do usually is use repeated rotation keyframes. So I lock the Z-axis and add a keyframe at 0 rotation, then I rotate the tree in a small value and set a new keyframe there. Repeat that and you will get some cool tree animation with no time. How to delete materials in Blender? Well, not in the material settings for sure. However, you can go to the outline and switch it from View Layers to Blender Files. In there, you're gonna find a tab called Material and in it, all the material in the scene. Pick any number you need and delete them from the file. You can also change the outline from Blender Files to Orphan and Data. Those are extra loads on your scene, so delete them if needed. If you're working on a heavy scene, you can play the animation in much smoother way by changing the playback sync to frame dropping, and as the name says, it will drop any glitchy frame to keep your animation smooth. That's it guys, stay sharp, goodbye.